Hello, teacher. Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta. The Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta is the biggest festival of its kind where hundreds of balloons, around 750 balloons, go out and decorate the sky with beautiful colors such as green, yellow, purple, and others. Many models, figures, abstract chain, and stranger design. I really like how to the color of the big balloon are in the sky. It is also impressive the creativity of the people how out the balloon, who decorate them with unusual shade to give the sky a different way of being, making it a wonderful date. Personally, I like a gigant balloon of the count or many anime characters that remind me of the funny character that I used to sing frequently as a child. I choose this culture because it has many experience, but I definitely love the air balloon ride where you can appreciate the whole city. Besides, I love the huge balloon. Also, the pilot arrived early to show their big balloons. There are many visitors to that place. My friend and I like it. We would like to go there on vacation. I would invite you to know that culture. This balloon fiesta is a magnificent. When you have vacation, you can go de Albuquerque, Nuevo Mexico from the 1st to the 9th of October. Thank you for your attention.